Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a quick eyebrow tutorial. I have never shown my brows on my channel. As you can see, they're super light, pretty much non-existent. Just going to show you guys how I get my brows done using only 3 products. And so yeah, if you are interested, then of course, keep watching. So we are in lockdown, so these brows have not been groomed. I'm going to show you how I fake groom them. Here I'm outlining my brow and I'm using short, light strokes, and that's very important to achieving a natural brow, and that is what this tutorial is about. I prefer my brows to just look as natural as possible, so short, light strokes is going to give you that look. So I'm just showing you here where you should start your brows, where you should arch your brows, and where the end of your brows should be. So they should not pass those 3 points if you want a natural looking brow. Alright, so we're just going to go on top of the brow and do the exact same thing, short light strokes. And I'm also going to be doing my other brow on camera, but I won't talk through that, so you can just watch that one. So because I have no hair, I am creating a few brow hairs at the front to give me that nice gradient effect. I really like that look, so I'm just faking the funk right now. So I'm also going to use a pencil to fill in any areas that I feel are a little bit sparse, and I'm still using very light strokes. I forgot to show this part in the first brow, but brush up the hairs is going to allow you to see the shape and how you want to create it. So as you can see, I'm pretty much brushing my face because I don't even have any hair to brush, but I'm trying my best to kind of put them up so that I'm able to find where I want to outline. So now it's time for the concealer, and I was just showing you that I'm using a whole lot of concealer. I apologize for almost being out of frame, but in the next brow you'll be able to see a lot better. But I'm just showing you, this is where the magic happens. Your concealer is your best friend. This is what's going to give you that fresh wax look. I use a concealer that's 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. And don't worry, once you blend it in, you're not going to see that concealer looking crazy like what it looks like right now. I like using a very liquidy concealer because I feel like it's just easier to work with. As you can see, I can sharpen up my tail really easily, But you know, experiment with concealers and you'll find what works best for you. Some people like using a thicker concealer. They find that's easier for them to work with. It's trial and error. You're not just going to get your brows perfected overnight. I still mess up all the time, but like I said, the concealer is pretty much the key. As you can see here, it's literally just taking shape right before your eyes using that concealer. Now I'm using this dense brush to blend out the concealer. If you use a beauty sponge, you can use that, just damp beauty sponge. The goal is to have these brows looking as natural as possible, so you want to blend, blend, blend until it literally melts away into your skin. No halo brows. I do not do halo brows. And for this final step, I'm using the spoolie to brush away any harsh lines from the pencil. I'm also brushing the hairs in the direction that I want them to lay. And as you can see, that's just going to give me the most beautiful, natural look. This is the final look. If you learned something today, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below to let me know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.